Is Solana finally about to crash? In this video, we are going to be talking about whether or not Solana is about to crash and why. We are going to be looking at the three biggest contributing factors to the FUD around Solana, and we are going to be diagnosing them and finding out whether that FUD is justified or not. The number one reason that people have so much FUD about Solana and they think it's going to crash is because of FTX. Now, FTX had 73% holdings in Solana and only 27% of those holdings have been unlocked. And that only amounts to 15.3 million SOL, not $15.3 million. This is a typo from the individual. 15.3 million tokens in SOL. And therefore, that means that around 40 million still have not been unlocked. Okay. And these FUDders, they suggest that when this is unlocked and it's sold, the price will crash because that is 40 million tokens of Solana, which equates to around $40 billion worth. So when that is sold, the price will crash. And fine, that is correct if it was actually true, but this is an absolute lie. The reason I say that is because Solana currently has a vesting schedule. So if you click over here and we can see there is no more sales until 2025. The next unlock is in 2025, and by then we could have a bear market. We could have gone through the bull market in 2024, and it will probably not matter anyway when that is sold. Okay, so in the short to medium term, we are fully okay, and there is a great vesting schedule already in place. It will not be until 2025 when only 7.5 million Solana will be unlocked, representing another 13.5% of FTX's total stash. And this will continue to happen until 2028 when the final remaining Solana will be unlocked and sold. So this is nothing to worry about. Let's move on to number two. The second biggest reason that people are FUDding Solana and believe that the price is going to crash is the fact that they perceive Solana to be a weaker network with weaknesses compared to networks like Ethereum due to the outages that have been happening. Now, for example, in 2022, we saw so many different outages, 3 different outages in the space of 3 months, all major outages with 4 to 5 hours of downtime. Okay, and this slightly improved in July and August, but September the same thing happened, and then it continued to happen in October, a bit of a quiet period, and then a big one in February, 18 hours and 50 minutes of February 2023 of outages. Okay, so this really did cause FUD for Solana, and the price did decrease because investors lost confidence. Okay, now if we look at what's happening in January 2024, we are having a huge airdrop, the Jupiter airdrop, JUP, and even the founder has suggested that it is going to be challenging because there will be extra load on the Solana network. It's a major test for crypto, not just Solana. But what they will be doing is coordinating heavily with RPC providers, trying to increase server load and trying to set the priority fees to be optimum. Okay, now a lot of people are going to be airdropped the Jupiter token because they've been interacting with the Jupiter exchange, which is an exchange swap on Solana to trade meme coins, etc. And people have been doing this get a part in the big airdrop that is happening in January. So all these people are being airdropped at once. It could cause a downturn for the network. So if we see further downturn now in January 2024, it could again cause extra load on the network and therefore outages and therefore FUD and potentially a price crash. Okay, guys. Now, what we will say though is that Solana has been working very hard over the bear market. So after this outage in 2023, there was no further outages. You can see nothing else up until now. No outages. It's been 100%. And as you can see in the different news articles, Solana has been impressive. They've upgraded their network and there are no outages since then. And even now, when Solana meme coins like Bonk and Analos, etc., everything has been flying, there is still a lot of usage on the network and huge amounts of active addresses, but people are trading successfully and there is no outages. So this does spell good news, and I think that with the improved network, we will see continued investor confidence in Solana, a successful airdrop in January, and therefore the price will not necessarily crash. So let's move on to the third reason that people are FUDing Solana and believe that this will cause the price to crash. Before we check out the third and final reason why people are FUDing Solana, make sure you do check out our website. We offer many different services such as smart contract development, NFT development, and blockchain consulting. So if you're interested in launching your own SPL token on Solana or Ethereum, for example, do reach out to me or my team and we will be happy to assist. Let's continue with the video. The third and final reason that people believe that Solana is going to crash and they are FUDing it is because Solana has been printing more and more tokens. Now, Solana peaked at $260 with a 75 billion market cap back in the bull run a couple of years ago. To reach that same price, Solana needs to have a 200 billion market cap. However, that is absolutely false. That is a lie and it's a fake statement as proven by Twitter. And as you can see, to reach that same price, due to the increased supply, Solana needs to actually reach a market cap of $111 billion compared to the $200 billion that this person has suggested. Okay, so yes, the supply has increased, and therefore to reach that same all-time high, they need to have a higher market cap of $111 billion instead of the previous one of $75 billion. Now, fine. That is bigger, but my counterpoint is Ethereum's current market cap is 275 billion right now, without even being in an all-time high. So why can't Solana reach that? Solana is a great ecosystem. They have so many active addresses that we can see over here. If we look here, we can see the current active addresses compared to Ethereum, which is here. There are so many more people doing daily transactions, daily trading. Solana, the volume is absolutely booming. Okay, and compared to other layer 2s, for example, it is absolutely booming. We can see Optimism, Sui, Arbitrum. They are nowhere near in transactions and daily active addresses making trades compared to Solana. So you have to follow the money, you have to follow the transactions, and currently they are in Solana. So that is my counterpoint to that query. It is truly possible. Compare Solana to Ethereum. It is definitely there.